It always gets more colorful the further we go into a season of this.
Rail fanning in the fall.
Season 4.
Rail fanning in the fall.
Episode 3. For this leg of our journey through autumn, we take you to the Heritage Road crossing on an abnormally long straight section of track on the Halton Sub. This crossing is located in the western outskirts of Brampton and is located at mile 20.14. Incidentally, 2014 was 10 years ago. Looking east uphill, you can kind of see the Mount Pleasant GO station, and looking west downhill, you can see all the way to Georgetown. So this video was taken Monday, October the 14th, Canadian Thanksgiving. While we were there, we got 6 trains, and the first one being CNL 570, which is normally a long local, coming out of the Aldershot Yard in Burlington, heading to Macmillan Yard in Toronto. It was led by 2909, whose engineer gave us a horn salute, a horn show actually, with their P5, and 3199 was behind it. By the way, this is another crossing that has an underpowered Safe Trans Type 3 email. Listen.
Oh my goodness, is that Tyler M?
Yes, sir, sit down, please.
Fine.
Another thing about the Halton Sub between Bramalea and Georgetown, if you rail fan on a holiday, expect altered GO train schedules. That being said, we also got 2 Kitchener Line GO trains. The first of the 2 GO trains is GO 3916 heading inbound to Toronto from Kitchener. 680 and 301. And it's the same consist for the next GO train. So if you thought it's just GO and CN, you're wrong. Via Rail also runs trains on this line. Only 2 though, but we only saw one of the 2 though. We saw
Via train number
84
from
Sarnia,
bound for Toronto with stops at
Wyoming, Strathroy, London, St. Mary's, Stratford, Kitchener, Guelph, Georgetown, Brampton,
and
Malton. The train was led by 917, an old P42 DC, and it was pulling 4 LRC coaches. This next train was probably the most tasteful catch of the day. CNA 435, a rather short one too. Coming out of the Macmillan Yard in Toronto, heading to the London Yard in London. It was led by 5607, a possibly endangered SD-70I. And the engineer gave us a horn salute. And it was going solo, pulling 41 cars.
Moving slow.
Down there is the Winston Churchill Boulevard crossing, Brampton's western city limit. Anywho, 435 was off to meet with CNQ-122 at Manswood. 122 is a combination of intermodal and auto. It comes out of the Markham Yard in Homewood, Illinois, which is suburban Chicago, and it goes all the way to Rockingham Yard in Halifax. And this had some more tasteful power. A duo of SD-70M-2 100 units apart from each other. 8814 and 8914. 8814's engineer gave them a horn salute. Meanwhile, I thought I should get this train from the northeast corner of the crossing in this empty field.
CN detector, Halton, 2-2. South, no alarms. Temperature, 10 C. Total axle, 396. Speed, 48.
122, clear to Norvell.
And last but not least, there's Go 3919 going to Kitchener. It's the same consist as before. So yeah, there's somewhere else I haven't been to before. Only downside about this place is the traffic, but Winston Churchill's worse. A lot worse than this. Hope you enjoyed this episode. We still got plenty more to come. So there goes the GO train out of sight, and here goes this video up on YouTube. You don't want to miss a moment. Hit the subscribe button if you like my content. That being said, see you in the next video. Bye now.